Now we're moving on to the testimonial section. If you want to change the layout or overall look of this part, just click Add Section. Search for testimonials in the bar and pick the design that fits your store best. Don't forget to delete the existing testimonial section before adding a new one. This keeps your page clean and avoids repeating content. In my case, I'm happy with the layout that's already there, so I'm just going to keep it. To customize, simply click on the testimonial block to edit the text and images. You can update the customer name, quote, and photo to match real reviews or ones you've gathered from past buyers. Next up is the categories section. Since I'm only selling watches and don't need to break things down into multiple product types, I'll go ahead and delete this section entirely. If your store has a broader catalog, this might be useful, but for a single product focus like mine, keeping the page clean and direct works better. Since we removed the category section, you'll notice there's now no space between the icon section and the testimonial section. It looks a bit cramped. To fix that, just click on the icon section, scroll down to the section padding settings, and adjust the top padding by dragging the slider until it matches the bottom padding. This makes the spacing look more balanced and intentional. Also, the icon section looks a little plain right now, so I'm going to give it a bit more personality by enabling the icon circle option. Just toggle it on, and you'll see each icon get a colored circular background that adds some visual interest. Next up is the image gallery section. To update it, just click on each image one by one and replace them with your own visuals. You can upload lifestyle photos, product shots, or anything else that fits your brand vibe. This section is great for adding some visual storytelling or showing your products in action. Finally, let's customize the footer. This is where you'll manage all the links and info that appear at the bottom of your site. Start by toggling on the elements you want to show, like newsletter signup, quick links, contact info, or social icons, and go ahead and delete any sections you don't need. Keep it clean and focused on what's most useful to your customers. Now, switch to the mobile preview. You'll probably notice the footer looks a bit too bulky. To fix that, enable the accordion layout. This collapses the content into expandable sections, making your mobile footer much more compact and easier to navigate. Now let's check out the catalog page. You don't really need to change much here. The default layout is already clean and functional. Just scroll through the page and make sure everything looks good on both desktop and mobile views. Check that the product grid is aligned, images look sharp, and filters or sorting options, if enabled, are easy to use. If everything looks good, we're all set to move on.